Imagine this. You finally decide to invest. You watch YouTube videos. You follow finance influencers. You hear people talking about crypto, stocks, forex, real estate, and side hustles. Everybody seems to be making money, so you take your savings and invest everything. Then suddenly, your car breaks down, your rent is due, your child gets sick, or worse, you lose your job. Now, what happens? You are forced to sell your investment early, sometimes at a loss. And just like that, financial stress returns. This is why many salary workers fail at investing. Not because investing is bad, but because they started too early, without building a financial buffer. And today, we are going to break down exactly why a financial buffer matters, how much you should save before investing, how salary workers can build wealth safely, and how to stop living one emergency away from financial disaster before you invest. Build this first or stay broke. Most salary workers live in a dangerous financial cycle. Salary comes in, bills go out, then the little that remains is either spent or invested too aggressively. The problem is this: investments go up and down. Life expenses do not wait. Your landlord does not care that the stock market crashed. Your electricity company does not care that your crypto is down temporarily. And emergencies never send appointment letters before arriving. That is why investing without a safety cushion is like driving without brakes. It works until something unexpected happens. Many people want to look rich before becoming financially stable. They rush into investments because social media makes wealth look fast and easy. But real financial growth starts with stability, not hype. A financial buffer is money set aside to protect you from emergencies and financial shocks. Think of it as your financial shock absorber. It helps you survive unexpected situations without destroying your investments. Your buffer is not investment money. It is protection money. It covers things like medical emergencies, job loss, car repairs, family emergencies, sudden bills, rent or mortgage payments. Financial experts often recommend saving between 3 to 6 months of living expenses before heavily investing. So if your monthly expenses are $2,000, your minimum buffer should ideally be $6,000 to $12,000. Now some people may say, that's too much money to keep sitting there. But here is the truth: a buffer is not there to make you rich. It is there to stop you from becoming financially desperate. And desperation leads to bad financial decisions. Here is what usually happens. Someone saves a little money, maybe $5,000. They invest everything. At first, they feel smart. They feel motivated. Then life happens. Unexpected expenses appear. Now they are forced to withdraw their investments early. Sometimes they sell at a loss. Sometimes they borrow money. Sometimes they enter debt. And emotionally, they begin to believe investing doesn't work. But the real problem was not investing. The problem was lack of preparation. Good investing requires patience, and patience becomes difficult when survival is at risk. People with no financial buffer often panic during market downturns because they need immediate cash. But people with savings can stay calm, because stability creates confidence. So, what should salary workers actually do? Here is a simple financial roadmap. Step 1. Control your spending. If you spend everything you earn, investing becomes impossible. Track your expenses. Cut unnecessary lifestyle inflation. Not every salary increase should become a spending increase. Step 2. Build your emergency fund. Start small if necessary. Even saving 1 month of expenses is better than nothing. Consistency matters more than speed. Step 3. Reduce toxic debt. High-interest debt destroys wealth building. Before chasing investment returns, avoid financial leaks. Step 4. Start investing gradually. You do not need to invest everything at once. Salary workers can build wealth slowly through disciplined investing. For example, index funds, retirement accounts, mutual funds, ETFs, real estate savings plans, diversified long-term investments. The goal is not overnight wealth. The goal is long-term financial freedom, and this is what many people fail to understand. Wealth is usually built quietly, not loudly. One of the biggest financial dangers today is comparison. Social media constantly pressures people to look successful. People see luxury cars, trading screenshots, expensive vacations, fast money stories, but what you rarely see is debt, financial stress, loans, panic, or fake lifestyles. Many people are financially unstable while pretending to be wealthy online. Do not let internet pressure push you into reckless financial decisions. Building a buffer may look boring, but boring financial habits often create real wealth. Strong financial foundations are usually invisible until a crisis happens. Then suddenly, the prepared person survives while everyone else panics. Investing is important, but investing without financial stability can become dangerous. Before chasing profits, build protection. Before taking risks, create breathing room. Before trying to look rich, become financially secure. Because true wealth is not just about making money, it is about surviving emergencies without falling apart. The strongest investors are not always the people making the fastest gains. Often, they are the people who prepared properly. So if you are a salary worker trying to build wealth, do not rush. Build your buffer, protect your peace, then invest with confidence. Because investing works best when your survival does not depend on it. Save first, protect yourself, invest wisely. Welcome to a platform dedicated to simplifying financial literacy and empowering you to take control of your money. We break down complex financial concepts into clear, practical insights you can apply in your everyday life. Whether you're just starting your financial journey or looking to optimize your wealth strategy, you'll find structured, insightful, and actionable content designed to help you move forward with confidence. Start your journey toward financial clarity, control, and freedom with us. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like and share with your friends and family.